Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Fusion key fob. First, find the small button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button firmly. While holding it, gently pull the emergency key straight out from the top of the fob. This key is essential for the next step, so keep it handy. You're doing great so far. Now that the emergency key is out, look into the slot where it was. You'll see a small opening. Carefully insert a small, flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle, steady hand, twist the screwdriver slightly. This action will begin to separate the two halves of your key fob. Take your time to avoid any damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the small, round battery. Before you remove it, pay close attention to which side is facing up. This is important for correct installation of the new one. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. It should fit snugly. You're almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Make sure all the edges match up perfectly. Once aligned, press the two halves firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Your key fob is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.